Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. NCB Financial Group Limited has advised that the share purchase agreement executed on February 2, 2024 between its Jamaican banking subsidiary, National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited, and Berkeley Financial Holdings Limited, a privately held company based in London, United Kingdom, for the sale of its 100% stake in NCB Cayman Limited has terminated. In an interview with Our Today NCB Group Chairman Michael Leachin, he shared that the Cayman Monetary Authority, which reviewed the terms of the deal between NCBJ and Berkeley Financial Holdings for approval, did not provide reasons for not approving the sale. Grace Kennedy Limited, GK, has advised that the Honorable Don Webby, CDOJ, will retire as Group CEO on February 14, 2025 and step down from the Board of Directors. Frank James, current CEO of the company's Domestic Foods Division and former Group CFO, will assume the position of Group CEO on February 14, 2025 and be appointed to the board on the same date. Also, Grace Kennedy Limited has announced the appointment of Divisional Chief Financial Officers for Grace Kennedy Financial Group and Grace Kennedy Foods. The group appointed Deborah Dodd in the role of Divisional CFO for GKFG and Kerry Ann Lincoln for GK Foods with effect from January 1, 2025. Both Dodd and Lincoln are tasked with providing key support to strengthen financial management and business outcomes and maintain robust internal controls. According to GK Group, the leadership changes are in keeping with the company's succession plan and are designed to ensure continuity and drive future growth in line with its 2030 vision. Deramon Trading Company Limited has named Ian C. Kelly as its new Chief Executive Officer effective January 1, 2025. Kelly has been with Deramon since 2011 and brings a wealth of experience and leadership to this role. He previously served in pivotal positions such as Group Chief Financial Officer, Executive Director, Divisional Director at Sampire's Corporate Planner, and Finance Director. According to the company, the leadership change reflects Deramon's commitment to strong corporate governance and its strategic decision to separate the chairman and CEO roles. For the trading period ended January 14, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Cigarette distributor Carreras Limited with 2,268,876 units traded represented 17.97% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,190,482 units traded representing 17.35% of market sales volume. PVC pipe manufacturer Omni Industries Limited with 1,035,304 units traded, accounting for 8.2% of market sales volume. We now shift focus to the Forex market. On January 14, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US 61.24 million purchased and US 58.47 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.09 per dollar selling at $157.47 and buying at $156.38. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.27 per transaction, with selling at $110.32 and buying at $108.05. The British pound yielded $6.90 in profits to Forex traders, with selling at $191.31 and buying at $184.41. For a credit report tip of the day, rebuilding your credit score feels overwhelming as it can be difficult to juggle bills and still feel like you're falling behind. Here's the good news. Small, Consistent steps in your credit score can make a big difference over time. So here are a few tips. Avoid closing old accounts. A long credit history works in your favor. Don't apply for too much credit at once. Multiple inquiries on your credit report can lower your score. And set up payment plans. Work with creditors to create manageable repayment schedules. When you are at a point where you need to build something from nothing, especially for professional women over the age of 45, recovery and resilience are possible one step at a time. Here's a roadmap. Diversify your income streams. Explore freelancing, consulting, or starting a side business to supplement your primary income. Then address debt strategically. Pay down high-interest debt first, then tackle others using the snowball or avalanche method. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Janice Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.